So today is Wednesday. In the mail I got the residual valves that I needed, both of them. Disc brake. I guess you only need 2-pound residual valves. I'm no brake guy, but so we'll put those in line with the front and rear brakes. Then I got a low pressure switch for the brake lights, and then the rest of the fittings that I need. So I'm gonna go and get right into it and try to get this finish getting this brake system done. All right, guys, welcome back. We got the brakes plumbed this week, towards the end of last weekend, into the week. Tinkered with it throughout the week after football practice and was able to finish it today. Today is Friday. Turned out pretty good. I'm no brake guy, but I feel like it turned out pretty nice. I'll show you guys the front. So I was told the residual valve needs to be as close to the master cylinder as you can get it. I was going to mount it literally right off the master cylinder, but a guy told me not to, so I went ahead and did this, and then it goes right into the line lock. Low pressure brake switch, right front, left front. Overall, turned out pretty good. I'll show you guys the back here. So right there, we'll drop right down to the rear end housing. Overall, turned out pretty good. I like it. Next weekend, we're going to be going up to Greg's to wire in a second kit. Also to pick up the tin work on the second kit on his C10, the yellow pickup. And then to get the tin work for the Chevelle. So hopefully this thing start looking like a hot rod. We can keep plugging away. Hopefully you guys like these progress videos. I like doing them, so hopefully you guys enjoy. Also, who knows what we'll get into up there next weekend. I will be videoing it. You guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell button.